The city of Lisbon, located in Portugal, is a vibrant and attractive destination for travelers from all over the world. Known for its rich history, stunning architecture and warm hospitality, Lisbon offers a unique blend of old-world charm and modern attractions. As the capital of Portugal, Lisbon is endowed with a rich heritage and culture. Travelers can explore iconic landmarks such as the Belém Tower, Geronimos Monastery, and Jorge Castle, which offer a glimpse into the city's past. The narrow streets of Alfama and Bairro Alto showcase traditional Portuguese architecture with colorful tiled buildings. For outdoor enthusiasts, Lisbon offers beautiful parks and squares where you can relax or enjoy panoramic views of the city. The popular Parque das Nations is home to modern attractions such as an oceanarium and cable car. Lisbon's mild climate throughout the year makes it an ideal destination for beach vacations. Nearby coastal areas such as Cascais and Estoril offer stunning beaches just a short train ride from the city center. Lisbon's vibrant nightlife is another highlight for tourists. The lively Bairro Alto neighborhood comes alive after sunset with numerous bars and clubs offering live music and entertainment. All in all, a visit to Lisbon promises an unforgettable experience filled with history, culture, delicious cuisine, and warm hospitality. Whether you're strolling the narrow streets or taking in the stunning sights, there's something for everyone in this vibrant city.